Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance with almost zero fee or minimal. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First, open your Bybit application and now you need to tap on this asset button at the bottom right corner. And after that you need to tap on this funding button, and here you can see an option that says withdraw. Simply tap here, and after that uncheck this, and on the search bar search for USDT and select the USDT, and here you can see that it requires address, required a network, and also the amount of USDT you want to withdraw from your Bybit account. Simply minimize your Bybit account and open your Binance, and once you are on the home page, you can see here deposit section. Simply tap on it, and then in the search bar search for USDT and tap here. After that you need to select a network that show minimum fees or almost zero fees. So I know that Aptos chain supports zero fees on Bybit to Binance transfer, and also keep in mind that the network you are selecting here also select on the Bybit side. Simply click on this Aptos. After that, here you can see your deposit address of USDT on Aptos chain and a QR code. Simply tap copy this address, and after that minimize this and open your Bybit account again. You need to paste that particular address here. Simply paste this, and then in the network you need to select Aptos. At the bottom here you can see Aptos chain that supports zero USDT on zero fees. Simply tap on this, and after that you need to enter your amount that you are withdrawing from your Bybit account to Binance. Simply enter any particular amount, and after that you need to click on this withdraw button at the bottom right corner. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your funds from Bybit to Binance, and after that your funds will be permanently transferred to your Binance account. But also keep in mind that if you are select the wrong network, your funds will be lost permanently. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.